sun is out, and as I look over here, I am seeing the island of, sure it's better over on this side, let's see here. It looks like Turks and Caicos probably did slice, if my map is correct. Yeah, we just left the Bahamas over yonder. Turks and Caicos, I think. Or maybe Cayman. We are in line to arrive on time. We're already delayed. To the eastern end of La República Dominicana, where today's flight will end in Punta Cana, in Pleasant. And I'm a very happy Caribbean girl. Happy to get out of the winter weather. That winter chill was more than my body could manage. Between the nosebleeds and all of the other discomforts, I know winter and I were never made for each other. But until we touch down, just thought I'd share my current situation up here in the air on this 737 MAX 8. Pretty new flight, new plane, and it's a new route, MCO to BUJ. There's no other way to get there than with Southwest Airlines. So yeah, and I know we're on the last few minutes. I figure we are going to be over the island Hispaniola, and we will progress northeasterly as we touch down the eastern section of the island in Punta Cana, the tourism center. My last time there was so short.